Hey guys, welcome back to another Abyss Tech Vlog video. I have made yet another thrift store haul at a Goodwill. And that actually had some pretty decent prices to what I've got. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this camera around and show you what I got. Alright, so here we are. Get this thing to focus. Here we are. Alright, so this is what I got from the Goodwill haul, including this awesome hat. Which the hat was $5. So let me go over what I bought. So first thing that caught my eye while I was at Goodwill here in Tampa is the APC Backups ES350, which is a surge protector with battery backup. So this is one of the things that I actually wanted to get my mom for when we get moved and all, so she can have her little business computer set up and not have to worry about any interruptions in terms of when it storms or anything like that, so she'll have enough time to safely shut everything down. It has 6 outlets on it, a wiring focus, then you got their fuse reset, and over here you have your data port and the 2 RJ11 ports, which I think was for surge protection. Then underneath is the battery compartment and a place to put it up on a wall. But I do believe the battery is bad because it's not showing any kind of voltage, so it's probably not charging, but I'm going to give it some time to charge. Then the next thing I got, oh, by the way, this was $7.98. Then here I've got a paper shredder, because the one that we have now is kind of getting dull. So it's the Aurora AS680S, and it's just your basic run-of-the-mill paper shredder. Focus. But yeah, paper shredder, a set of Wave or iWave speakers. Let me see if I can't get you the model number of these. They are the iWave Frontier 2.0 desk speakers, and the model number is SP3022-BK, of course made in China. And I believe it can be powered by USB or by wall outlet, but I probably haven't plugged into a USB port somewhere. Then I got this Dell docking station monitor stand, which is actually one of the things, focus. There we go. This is one of the things that I was actually on the hunt for. And I was not expecting to see this at a Goodwill, because I was looking around on eBay and it was a little bit out of my price range, because right now I'm just trying to save a little bit of money. And get this, I only paid $4.98 for this. Yes, that's $4.98. And then I got myself another PS2 controller, because my green one kind of crapped out on me. And then I got this more luxurious Dell keyboard, which was only $3 with the USB there. Focus. Thank you. But yeah, that was my thrift store haul, and overall that was only like $29 something. Let me pull out the receipt. So the total before tax was $27.89, and the overall total after tax was $29.84. But yeah, they all put it as hardline wear, not electronics. But yeah, that was my today's thrift store haul.